Yeah, so just taking a tour of Palenque. They said they don't have no violence or nothing in this town right here. They got their own police. They pretty much pick whoever they want to, be the police to represent Palenque, man. Welcome to Palenque.
Mr. Midas, the worldwide traveler, also known as the king of travel. Yeah, his life is like a movie. Yeah, they think they got you figured out, but they really don't. Think bigger than your city. Yeah, come on, let's travel.
He was trying to get inside this community in the back in his days.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. This is a part of the street where I growing up, I mean, I'm gonna show you around here the street where I keep all the time.
Okay. Yeah, so this right here, man, pretty much everybody pretty quiet, everybody stay to themselves.
Sophia, you see that house represent how was built Palenque back in his day, around 97 years old, around 98 years ago.
Okay.
This community was built a house like this one.
Okay, almost 100 years ago.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
This material first we prepare all that. You see the fences of wood. And after we prepare this material, you see.
Okay.
This is like a cow shed, cow shed.
Okay.
Like a horse shed, and also we put like a little clay in the sand.
Okay.
We put a little bit of water.
Okay.
We make a mix and we annexed it in the wall. 2-3 days later, we can go live inside. You don't go into like air condition? Nah. Maybe it's on fine because the mosquito because there inside is very fresh for material.
Okay,
It's so fresh.
Welcome to Palenque. All right. So we're going a little bit deeper into Palenque right now. We in the neighborhoods right now. Kind of giving y'all an idea, what Palenque is about. Definitely a great place to visit.
Can they build the houses?
So what are these guys right here doing?
They do they play like a fight.
So I see the kids just having a good time.
Look at the father of the twins right there. The man with the red cap, right?
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. So she right now cooking some food.
Yeah, cooking. That's how we live in here, yo.
So, okay.
We prepare food, to eat in the family, like rice and maybe rice with soup. And that's what they do. We keep that down how to do everything in the houses, different thing. The mama called for him, he's repairing all of that.
Okay. The neighborhood builder. That's nice,
right.
man.
Neighborhood builder, Opa la moringa.
Palenque, Colombia.
Yeah, sure, man.
Yeah, man. So I definitely, the experience is a great experience, man.
Yeah.
So is this right here? Is this a?
So the first income in the community, the first medium of income.
Okay, the first income. Okay.
Yeah, man. Women was the first medium of income. Also, the women keep you all the time travel in different cities to sell typical candies, fruits.
Okay.
Bring that money,
So I see everybody just kind of quiet neighborhood, man, and really quiet over here.
Yeah.
Different environment, man, different feeling, man. I feel the peace.
Yeah, sure, man.
I feel peace over here, man. Everybody know everybody.
Yeah, and that's just, usually it's very peaceful. You see the people in the door talking around there, you know, talking, you know, about culture and different things.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is part of my neighborhood. I will show you where I live, man. My humble house.
Okay.
Yeah, man. It's the backyard where I live.
Okay, this is the backyard right here.
The backyard where I live. I live right there in the house there.
Okay, okay. God bless. Happy New Year.
Yeah, that's where I live.
Okay. All right.
Growing up with this part.
So far as the government, they come back here too much or no?
Sometimes about right, and this year, you know, the government sent like some of the money to repair the different, like to fixing the streets.
Okay.
Yeah. Now later, walking around, we will see that, you know, tractor, different, you know, my wife.
Okay.
My kid, you know, like. Look at it, my little daughter. That's my wife.
My wife, okay.
Yeah.
How's it going?
Inside.
Yeah.
Yes, that's what I live. Yeah.
Bueno, bueno, muy bueno. Sí. Muy bueno.
Let's take it that way.
Which way?
This way, we'll get some
All right. So yeah, man, definitely dirt roads, man. I haven't seen dirt roads like this in almost 20 years, man. It's beautiful though, man. I feel that peace, my bro.
Yeah.
And right there. Okay, so that's the neighborhood store right there.
Yeah, right there.
Okay. I got your own little neighborhood over here, man. I'm definitely digging it.
He said the house where he make drums.
He make drums right
Yeah,
here?
right here, man. The house.
Okay. So yeah, we definitely getting a good idea. You know what life is like over here. You know my channel is all about, let's go into the neighborhood and see how people really live. And then, you know, get the real understanding what life is like off the beaten path, to get into the culture. The kids just kind of cooling out, okay.
Yeah, chilling over there.
Relaxing a little bit.
Eating, you know. Ese es Palenque. So, ¿ustedes vienen con él? Sí.
I noticed a lot of the dogs, man, they malnutrition.
Yeah, I just felt like this because some of the owner, you know, this is normally him, man. The owner take them, and someday they forget him. They forget them, you know, like.
So the dogs don't eat that much?
Not eat that much, man.
Mm.
Maybe they need like a vitamin, you know, different like that.
Call this a neighborhood tour. We touring the neighborhoods and
That's a tour what I would like to do every time. I
definitely.
would like to do this tour every time. And all the people, every. You know, we are like they're like 8 tourist guides.
Okay.
But everybody want to do the tour like they're only in the center of their community.
Well, to be honest with you, I want to do the central, but I like to get to know the local.
That's right.
Hola, amigo.
And maybe somebody going to feel some of our people that come to watch around the work down this community, going to feel like it's interesting to help this community. We don't know, you know.
Definitely.
That's why we have to do that.
Yeah, I definitely like to film the communities because filming the communities, you get the... And that's how I look at stuff. That's why I go into the communities, because I want to see the real locals, you know. Even the outskirts of the community, the city limits fine, but let me see how people cooling out day to day.
They are listening champeta music, champeta music.
Champeta.
Look at papaya right there to make typical candy.
Okay.
Papaya over there.
Oh, papaya. So what is that right there, man? What is that?
It's, every year before to count the last day, before to count the last day of the month, 31 day of this month, December, we do like you saw how we call this muñecos.
That's a with a bunch of candy fall out.
No, this is for like when go to finish this year, we burn this fire. We put like a fires to finish this year.
Okay.
Like
so why y'all put this on fire?
Yeah, we put this fire. We call this is a form like to rectify it and know the good years.
Okay.
Like to say that by another year, it's like call me. You know, we born there. We going to call me another and better things. This is holy. Only the old clothes, clothes.
Okay.
Inside, put inside old clothes. You know, the owner of this house put inside this old clothes. You know, trash, all of that that they had there in the house. You know, that's why they put that. Because in the finish of this month, they finish this month, you know, they gonna live out. They gonna like forget all those old things.
Okay.
Because they're coming. You know,
So the
she's
dog,
so lit like that. That's just not doing nothing, man.
the dog tried to bite me, man.
No, he's not doing nothing, you know.
Tú, toma amigo.
It's a candy.
Un momento.
Cuando tú estás con tu mujer, tú no me sé saludar. Ella como que te dice, sí.
So what is this right here we eat?
Yeah.
What is that?
It's a typical like
Thanks for watching Mr. Midas, the worldwide traveler, aka the king of travel. But hey, stay tuned. The best is yet to come. To be continued.